Welcome to our case study, month 3 on Locksmith Brisbane. Let's just, actually before we do that, we'll just check our time. So we've got Monday, 9th of May at about 11:30. So let's just put this in our notepad. Notice that our last one was 7th of April. Okay, so now let's grab our URL. Paste it in here. As we can see, this site has attracted 329 backlinks over the month, and if we look at our historic data, this is not including this month's, we're up to 63. That number will considerably increase as the search bots find the backlinks. Alright, so let's jump over to Market Samurai and we'll hit update so we can see where we're actually ranking for our keywords. Okay, now that Market Samurai has come back with its data, let's do a quick compare and see where it's at. So Emergency Locksmith Brisbane, last month we were 5th, now we're up to 3rd. 24-hour Locksmith Brisbane, we were 8th, now we're up to 5th. Locksmith in Brisbane, we were 23rd. Actually, sorry, let's go Locksmith Brisbane, we were 22nd. And you can see we're up to 13th from 22nd. Now Locksmith in Brisbane, we were 23rd. Now 11th. Locksmith Brisbane, we were 26th. Now we're up to 14th. So quite substantial gains there. Brisbane Locksmith, we were 24th. Now we're up to 13th. That's pretty good. So overall, there's some quite good gains there in our 3rd month of SEO. I'm just going to put these in here so that we can see for next month and compare them, and we'll see you in the 4th month case.